So I'm making this video for unboxing of a very special diecast model that I ordered recently. I got it from Amazon.in. I searched it randomly and I got it at a unbelievably affordable cost, as these models tend to be very expensive. And if you are in India and you are a huge toy collector, and if you know about this brand, you'll agree. Uh, but buying these in India is like it is like 600 to 1000 rupees, and the exact size of the model is like even smaller than a Hot Wheels car. So I am making this video to unbox that car from its packaging. And since that is the first car that I have got from that particular brand in my collection, I thought of making a video, making it a bit special. So let us jump on. I'll mention the brand, I'll mention the scale, the cost that I got it, the shipping charges that those guys levied on that particular package in the description. And let us see what I have in store. I'll be unboxing that, and let's check it out. So here is the model. It's very compact, it is very small, and I'll just compare it with a standard Hot Wheels later in the video. So for now, just let's get it out of the bubble wrap. This is how it came. uh, Over the top it was a normal Amazon packaging. There's no box as such, there's no boxing. But however they did, it was a good thing and enough for. So this is the brand I was talking about. It is a lesser known brand, and we can see that it is imported and marketed by Fun School in India, and it is manufactured by Tommy Company Limited, Takara Tommy, in Japan. So I got it for 249 rupees as it is mentioned here, and the month of import is like April 2016. So it is like exactly 4 years old, and the box is a bit damaged. I won't call it bad by any chance. So here we can see that it is licensed by Suzuki, and the model that I have ordered is Suzuki Alto, or how they call it in Japan. So this might be looking very similar to a few cars out here in India. One I can call it as A Star. Definitely, it is not very similar to the Alto that we have here in India. Even all the generation of Alto do not match to this. Then looking at this part of the car, it is matching to the Maruti Ignis that we have in India, and pretty much it has a plastic covering over the box. And yes, the box is damaged a bit. I am a bit unhappy by that fact, but that's all right. The basic cost that I got this car for is I am happy about that itself. So here it goes. I'm taking off the plastic cover. So once I unbox this, we'll compare it with our standard Hot Wheels, and we'll see how much different the size is. So now this is out of view. All this is in Japanese. It is a number 8 car. Everything is in Japanese. And yeah, so it is made in Vietnam. This is what it says. So nothing other than that we can read or understand from this point of view. it says that the Tomica is number one toy car brand in Japan, and one Tomica product is sold every 2 seconds. The brand has fans across 3 generations, and I can relate to this. And of course, it is a Japanese brand, it will have quality, no doubt in that. So here it goes. So again we have a polythene packing inside that, and this is the car that I was so eagerly waiting for, and it's quite heavy. You will not be able to make it out from the video, but yes, it is heavy for its size. I'll just take a scale and we'll see. You can clearly see the Suzuki logo here, and the wheels are quite nice, but these are plastic, no rubber here. So on the bottom side you can see it is Tomica, Tommy Suzuki Alto, made in Vietnam, number 8 again. The size is 1:56 and it says 2015. The packaging says it was 2016, the model says it's 2015. So it is like, I don't understand where this piece of kit was lying, and after how many years of packaging I have unboxed this. So it is quite nice. The interior details are also quite nice. So if you can see, 2 bucket seats at the front, and the most nicest features in Tomica cars is they have some sort of articulation, and this particular car, it is the rear hatch that opens, and it is quite sturdy. As you can see, it is not plastic, it is metal. So it is, I believe it will be a bit long lasting. So this particular color is different from the body color. This is grey and the car is red. It's quite nice, very good. So yes, now comparing it with an Hot Wheels, we'll see exactly how big it is. So comparing this car with 3 sizes of Hot Wheels I have here, this is the shortest car that I have in my collection. This is the Honda City Turbo 2 1985, and this is like fairly new casting and it is fairly available. And if you can see, this car is a bit longer than this, but definitely this feels heavier. Comparing it with my Ferrari FXX, I have it from last 5 to 7 years now. I guess this is not available in the mainline cars now. Comparing to this, it is like this car is longer. This is like the usual size of car, 4.5-5 centimeters, and this is 8 crate, and this is the longest car in my collection, and you can see the difference. So this is quite small than whatever Hot Wheels that we usually buy, and there are certain different models as well, but at $250 I thought I should not let go of this opportunity. And this is it, guys. This is the first Tomica model that I have got, and I always wanted one. Whenever I visit foreign countries, I keep an eye out on such deals, and this is going to be one prized possession in my collection now.